curiosity of a preschooler and
Let's build something, kids.
building set. And as imaginations grow, so does the Lego system, because most every block fits every other block from every Duplo and Lego set we ever made. From preschool on up, our toys play on and on. Lego and Duplo building sets, the toys you grow up with.
I want my block back.
Great job, kids. Learning your ABCs. Let's use our imagination.
Hello. Oh, hey, how you doing? Hello. 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 Hello.
To get behind the wheel of a 10-ton truck. Now you can with new US1 electric trucking. 2 top hard-working trucks that you control. Get those trucks rolling and let her go. Load it. Haul it. Dump it. US1 electric trucking. From Tyco, of course.
The Cobra invaders are attacking. G.I. Joe forces hit back while they move their secret recon satellite to safety. But blasting down from Devil's Mountain, Cobra's gonna hijack it. Here come the reinforcements. You control the action with G.I. Joe High Adventure Trucking. Now, Cobra's desperate. They'll ram, squeeze to safety. Headquarters are secure now, so move her on back. G.I. Joe High Adventure Trucking. By Tyco, of course.
Nighttime headlights, highway lights.
How'd you like to get behind the wheel of a 10-ton truck? Now you can with new US1 electric trucking. 2 top hard-working trucks that you control. Let her go. Load it. Haul it. Dump it. US1 electric trucking. From Tyco, of course.
New nighttime headlights, highway lights in action. By Tyco, of course. Nighttime accessories where you can see the action.
Awesome. Red hot turbo Firebirds. With turbo power. Just waiting for you to take control. It's Turbo 300 Racing. Get the turbo boost and blast off with Turbo 300 Racing. Back off to conquer the curves. Then cut loose the turbo power, race them flat out, and explode into a new dimension of speed. Turbo 300 by Tyco, of course.
Out beyond, where there is no gravity, man dares the impossible, and Tyco makes it a reality. With cliffhangers, super-fast cars that take on every incredible challenge. They head toward the wall, straight up and over. And they made it. And now they race into a new dimension, defying gravity, defying belief. The racing set that dares the impossible. For cliffhangers, by Tyco, of course.
It's the ultimate chase. The Hot 18 band trying to escape the MPs. Can the 18 do it? You can do it. Now you take control in new 18 action racing. Try to lose it. Spin the band through daredevil U-turns. But they'll catch you. So you pour it on and send the 18 flying over the double cross jump. 18 action racing with U-turn cars. And double cross jump from Tyco, of course. Far horizons of imagination challenge the most exciting car in the universe in new Super Cliffhangers. They race toward the wall and up and over. Can they conquer the giant loop? They can. Then, into a new dimension, they defy gravity and race upside down. Now, turn out the lights, and Tyco's night glow shines like outer space itself. New Super Cliffhangers with Night Glow from Tyco, of course.
Hello.
Unlikely.
Hurry, get in the car.
Gentlemen, start your engine!
Nighttime, racing with headlights.
Invaders have taken Bootjack Hill. Our troops are in trouble, but here comes the G.I. Joe secret mission train with more men, more supplies, and you are in command. The G.I. Joe Special Forces head for the bridge, while the G.I. Joe train speeds to Bootjack Hill with a secret strike force. A helicopter lands behind the Cobra lines, and here come the paratroopers. G.I. Joe 72-piece electric train and battle set complete with battleground scenic map. By Tyco, of course.
All aboard!
Casey Jones, full steam ahead. Full throttle. No stops.
Casey, stop! The train! We're going to crash into the back of train ahead. He tells his fireman to save himself and jump off. Casey stays with his train until the end.
In 1972, a crack commando unit was sent to prison by a military court for a crime they didn't commit. These men promptly escaped from a maximum security stockade to the Los Angeles underground. Today, still wanted by the government, they survive as soldiers of fortune. If you have a problem, if no one else can help, and if you can find them, maybe you can hire the A-Team.
The Hot 18 band trying to escape the MPs. Can the A-Team do it? You can do it.
This is Rasham's headquarters. That's our target. We can hold him. We control the game. Now the plan. You're basing straight on. Surprise hit. If anything goes sour, we split up. Rendezvous with the drop zone. Got it? Oh, wait. This ain't much of a plan, Hannibal. It's a classic. It's your half pincer movement inside a guarded perimeter. Tried and true, kid.
And he's on the jazz. We're in trouble.
From Tyco, of course.
Tyco accessories make your layouts more realistic and fun for the whole family and friends. Add Tyco accessories, building kits, engines, rolling stock.
See you soon.
The release of the 1984 Terminator from the future. Merry Christmas. I'll be back. Happy New Year.